here's a little insight for you who can't play. Alternate picking is the most important part of guitar playing. If you can't do that, you're gonna suck. Here's a lesson in that. First, I'd like to start off with a scale. Something simple like that. But what I'm not doing is this. Looky at my right hand. That's all down picks. You don't want that. Alternate. Pay attention to the magic hand. That's Connor. See, if you play with alternate picking, you can pick faster, play more accurate, and it'll sound better. It won't sound like shit. See, for example.